my little baby purple elf is here. And she brought us a Poopsie Cutie Tootsie surprise. I really think that my elves love these. I know I sure do. Well, I'm gonna cut this open soon. Whoa, this one has a little bit of squish to it. Do you see that? It's a little bit squishy. I wonder if the feeling of it has anything to do with the slime inside. I wonder which one of these slimes we're gonna get inside. I'm hoping for the putty slime because I have never played with that before. Okay, there's 25 cuties and 25 slimes. Boy, possibilities are endless. Comment down below which Poopsie is gonna be inside of her. These are all of the options of the Poopsie Cutie Tooties surprises that there are. Okay. So here they are. Oh, they're all just so magical. Oh, whew, she's nice. Sunshine. They're all just so amazing. Okay, and then here's the other side. Ooh, ooh. Oh. Okay, well now make your final guess below because I am going to open this up now. Okay, let's cut this open so we can save the slime for later. Oh, look, look. Wow. It's pink. It's so beautiful and magical. Whoop. Is that all the slime that we have? Oh no, that's not very much. Oh, there's more inside. Bella, do you like the slime too? I think my puppy dog likes the slime. Whoa, it's like it had a baby almost. Whoa. Look at this slime. It must be the water slime. It's so magical and liquidy. Wow. So neat. Okay, now let's see which toy is inside here. I am so excited. Looks like a pale pink. Oh, and wings. Are those wings? Oh my. She is breathtaking. Oh, she's covered in slime. I thought that was what she looked like. Do you see? This is actually just slime. Wow. Oh, and it's on her eyelash. That's so silly. Oh my, so we need to clean you up just like they do babies at the hospital. How silly. Okay, oh, look, she has fangs and those beautiful eyelashes and beautiful green eyes. Wow. And she has a silver unicorn horn. And she even has an earring. Wow. And those glittery golden wings are just so stunning. Okay, let's take a look and see. Oh, you're gonna fall over there. Okay. Oh, Bella, I know my doggy's just so excited. Okay, now let's see. Okay, there it is. Let's see which one it is. No, doesn't look like any of those. Is this it? Right here? Let's take a better look. Spark! It's Spark! Oh, how cute is Spark? Let's see. Okay, so Spark is pink. So pink is regular. So Spark is regular. She's so adorable. Well, if you like this video, down below, you're welcome to like it. Subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Spirella family, where you can see more crazy and silly things my elf on the shelf do. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, I love my elves on the shelf.